because everything is spiritual that we're reading. Everything in the word of the gospel is spiritual. Doctrines and Covenants, chapter 20 and verse 37. I love this here. And again, by the way of commandment to the church concerning the manner of baptism, all those who humble themselves before the Most High and desire to be baptized and come forth with broken hearts and contrite spirits. This is the foundation of everything in the gospel. This is how we truly open the doors, how we break yokes, is through our broken heart and that contrite spirit, and witness before the church that they have truly repented of their sins, truly repented, and are willing to take up the name. It says, upon them the name of Yeshua the Christ. What is that saying? Because this is all about a covenant, taking up on the name, having a determination to serve him until the end. Serve him. What does it mean to be a servant of Christ? Walking in the example of Yeshua and truly manifested by their works. This is all about action, their works that they have received of the spirit of Yeshua until the remission of their sins shall be received by baptism into his church. There's the word baptism into his church. So that repentance, that remission of sin gains you that entry into the church of Yeshua. We're talking about a spiritual manifestation that has changed in man, that has changed in woman. And that is according to actions, because it's one thing to say something with your mouth, but what the Father sees in us is our actions, is us living the example of the words and the knowledge that we are reading. Because once we understand, like the old people say, when you know better, you do better. And so when we come into this repentance and this deliverance that gains us salvation, there's a change that's exemplified in our actions and our works, what we say to people, how we live. It is a day-to-day lifestyle, walking in salvation, day-to-day lifestyle in our works. Hallelujah. And that's what this baptism is truly representative of. Hallelujah. Let me go to the next page there. Going to start now, since we got a little foundation of baptism, because we've seen it in the Bible. There's many other books. I always tell people, if this is your first time watching, our Father in the eternal heavens is infinite knowledge. He's infinite wisdom. He's infinite love. We have limited his knowledge, thinking it's coming from one book, 66 books in the Bible. Even the current KJV that we have is only containing 66 books. There was a 1611 Bible that had 88 books. And then it states in there that there was over 204 books. So there's a lot of knowledge that has been repressed, things that have been omitted, things that have been kept from us. And so as we become wiser with our understanding of the gospel, we must be open-minded to understand that Father has given us a lot, especially in this hour that we're living, because we're at the end of the age. And this is the era of knowledge, of truth. It really is.